How to generate presentation slides with Gemini AI in Google Slides. So if you want to generate the presentation slides with Gemini AI in Google Slides, then first you just need to open up your Google Slides and then go with a presentation. And before proceeding, let me tell you one thing, that you need to go to Gemini Advanced. So you just need to customize your Gemini to Gemini Advanced in order to use this option. So for now, I don't have the Gemini Premium or the Gemini Advanced option, but if you have the Gemini Advanced, then you will have a Gemini option right here on the upper right side of your screen. You just need to simply click on the Gemini AI, and then you will have a message, like you will have the message bar right here on the bottom right, and you can enter the message and you can generate the custom presentations, or you can generate the presentation slides with Gemini AI. So in order to do that, you will have to have the Gemini Advanced, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.